Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Karan Sharma and you're watching Gizbot, and today I have a wireless headphone with me to unbox and give you the first impression of it, and the name of this headphone is Xmate Manna. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is how the retail box looks like of Xmate Manna. It's written over here wireless sport neckband, and back there you have the specification: connectivity wireless, 180 mAh polymer battery, 10 meters of transmission distance, 5 volt current DC, and playtime what you're getting with this device is 8 hours, and talk time you're getting is 8.5 hours. On the standby time it gives you 100 hours of battery backup. So altogether it takes 2.5 hours to charge it fully. So this is how the box looks like and the specification of this neckband. So let's unbox this device and see what there inside it. So the very first thing you get in the box is the wireless, the neck bands, and it also comes with magnets so that you can just stick it around. Apart from that, you get the user manual and few earbuds along with a micro USB cable so that you can charge the device. So let's keep all this aside and see how this wireless headphone performs. So talking about the design, I must say that this is a very flexible neckband, and it comes with the Xmate branding on this side, and on the other you have the functional keys. Here you have a power on and off key and volume rocker keys, and apart from that you also have an inbuilt microphone over here so that you can take hand-free calls. Meanwhile, you also have a USB port so that you can charge your device anywhere and everywhere. Talking about the earbuds, we should say that the design of the earbuds are really looking good, and the pins over here will make them comfortably fit in your ears, and it will restrict them from falling whenever you are doing some outdoor activities like jogging, cycling or something like that. So let's test the device. Let's connect it with the smartphone and see how this Xmate Manna is gonna perform. So let's see how we can connect this device to your smartphone. So first of all, on your smartphone you have to go to the settings menu, and then you have to go to the Bluetooth settings and turn on your device first. So once you turn on the device, you can see X Manna on the search area, and just you have to click it and it will be connected to your device. X Manna connected. So let's wear it and see how this is going to perform. So as you have seen that I have connected the device with the smartphone, and now I'm going to use this device. Let's put it inside my ears and see how comfortable it is. And yeah, it is fitted properly, and this side also. And wow, that's the noise cancellation is really good. It's like my ears are totally packed and I can't hear anything from outside, not even the bikes and cars which are moving on the road. I will start with some bass songs so that I can get the bass quality of these headphones. Let's play something. I'm just putting the volume to max and see how this performs, and the music starts. Oh, that's the sound. The bass is really good. The bass is actually really good, and you can just feel it when you're listening to any song. Because I started with a rap song, and the bass on rap songs are really good, so that's why I'm loving the bass of these headphones. Wow man, I'm so impressed with this headphones. Even though the bass was on a heavier side, but the headphones are doing justice with the clarity of the songs, because what I just listened to is a rap song, and rap have both bass and the wordings and clarity too. So everything is balanced, and I haven't seen any distortion with the earbuds, and the noise cancellation is superb. I really liked it. So let's play an instrumental song so that I will get a better idea of the music, because instrumentals have a lot of instrument in it, and it will be fair enough to judge on that thing. So let's play some instrumental mix. Oh wow, once again these headphones have really impressed me a lot, because the instruments whatever they are playing in the background, and it was very prominent, very clear, because I was getting all the bits and pieces of those instruments. So my first impression for these headphones are really very impressive, because the most important thing about the headphones are like they are not too loud and the noise are not coming outside whenever you are listening, so that you are not disturbing a person sitting beside you. And moreover, it comes with a very comfortable wings and a very decent design. But this is the first impression of this device, and I will be using these headphones for a long time, and I will get back to you with a comprehensive review of these headphones. So till then, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't pressed that bell icon, please press it, because we don't want you to miss any update from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma signing off.